In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a community on Slack. If you want your Slack community to feel active, organized, and welcoming, the key is to set it up with intention right from the beginning. A great community is not just a collection of channels. It needs clear structure, clear expectations, and simple ways for people to connect. Start by creating the workspace itself in your desktop browser or in the Slack desktop app. This is your foundation, so take a moment to think of it as your dedicated community hub. Right away, put your rules in place. Write a clear code of conduct that explains what is and is not acceptable, especially around self-promotion, harassment, and general behavior. Then place that information in a read-only channel, such as rules or announcements, so every member knows where to find it. Once the foundation is ready, move on to your channel structure. This is what keeps the workspace from turning into one messy stream of messages. Create a welcome or introductions channel where new members can share a short bio, what they do, or what they are working on. After that, add 2 or 3 core channels that match your community's main focus. For example, these could be spaces for industry trends, marketing strategy, or jobs. It also helps to include a more casual channel like water cooler or random so people can build relationships in a relaxed way. Next, set up onboarding automation so new members know exactly what to do when they join. Open the administrative area from your profile icon in the left sidebar, then go to Tools and Workflow Builder. Create a new workflow that starts when a new member joins the workspace. From there, set up an automatic direct message or public welcome message that tells them to read the rules first, introduce themselves in the introductions channel, and start connecting with others. This saves time and gives every new member a smooth first experience. To keep the community active over time, create simple engagement loops. You can pin a shared spreadsheet where members choose to list their professional profiles or project links so they can find collaborators more easily. You can also introduce recurring theme days in your general channels, like a showcase day or a help desk day, to encourage regular discussion. As the community grows, moderation becomes more important. Install moderation tools from the Slack app directory, such as bots that block inappropriate content or scan for problem keywords. Also, pay attention to your most helpful and active members. Invite them into a private mod team channel and give them moderator responsibilities so they can support the community. Finally, review your analytics from the workspace menu. Look at active members, how often people read versus post, and which channels are growing. Use that information to improve your event schedule, remove inactive channels, and create new ones based on demand. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.